Tired of seeing that annoying "this site can't be reached" screen? Let's crack those website blocks in Chrome. Step by step. First step. Extensions. Head to the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Chrome extensions on Google. Type VPN into the search bar. You'll see a ton of VPN extensions. Why Euro? Do some research to pick a reputable one. Good ratings are key. Add the extension to Chrome and grant the permissions it requests. Once installed, activate the VPN extension, usually just by clicking its icon in your extensions bar and selecting a server location. Refresh the blocked web page. Still blocked? Let's try proxies. Go to your Chrome settings. Search for proxy under Open your computer's proxy settings. Depending on your operating system, you'll adjust your settings there. Enable the Use a Proxy Server option and manually insert a proxy address and port. You can find free proxy lists online, but remember that free proxies can be unreliable. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can bypass those annoying website blocks. Although you should always be aware of the risks when using third-party VPNs or proxies.